Hi there. Today I have a layout in my junk journal. This is a junk journal that I am making for my son Magnus. So I'm just here sorting through all the photos that I have printed out at the moment, and I'm picking the one that suits the page that I feel like working on today. I order my photos in kind of batches every month or every other month whenever I feel like I have enough to make it worthwhile. So sometimes I like to leave the white border on, so I print it that way. But in this case, sometimes they're a little too wide for the junk journal, which is 4 by 8 inches, like a traveler's notebook. So I've trimmed it down, and now I'm just going through my scrap papers, looking for ones that I like best. Black and white is easily my most favorite color combination, so if I'm ever not using black and white, it's something to write home about. Black and white stripes, those are fun. This little scrap here I have sitting on my desk, I think I was cutting circles out using my Cameo, and then I liked the little scrap that was left behind, so I kept it, and I'm gonna stick it in here. And that's a little alpaca paper that I got at the Japanese dollar store. I like how the junk journal is pretty low-key, you know, it doesn't feel formal by any means, so if I feel like sticking in a piece of paper with alpacas on it, I can do that, and I don't have to have a very good reason for it. So I do enjoy that aspect of using a junk journal. Or just in general taking myself less seriously when I'm scrapbooking. Here I am going to pull out my alpha stickers. I have quite a collection, and I don't really use them. I'm not great at putting titles on my layouts or using them, so I occasionally remember them and try to make an effort to use up what I've got. So I think I'm going to write family on here, so in case you didn't know who was in the photo. And here I have some little vintage baby stickers that I found somewhere. And I'm actually going to use them. There's a little piece of plastic, I don't know if you can see, that is part of the junk journal. So I'm just going to stick those stickers in there, and then I'm going to add some sequins. And then I will use... Okay, well first I'm going to put some washi tape on the top of the plastic. That's not where the opening is, so I will put some washi tape down the side, which is actually where the opening is. This is just decorative at this point. Here comes out the box of sequins. I think I'm going for some shiny pink hearts. And it looks like some clear ones too. Okay, so now I'm going to tape up the sides so the confetti hopefully stays put. And there we go, got my nice little shaker pocket going. Now I'm going to work here on the left side. I'm going to pull out another photo. And I have this journal card that I've had for ages, so who knows where it came from. I have a little camera there that I cut out from a piece of paper, and then I'm going to pick a little circle that is actually from one of my Good Life bundles, I believe. I was thinking about adding a little map in the background, but I didn't, in the end, do that. That's where that Maryland map came from. Sticking everything down. And I think that will finish this layout. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.